Yeah, I had a problem with my iMovie, so I'm making the third part of my Chinese lesson. So I would like to teach you how to count from 1 to 10. 一、二、三、四、五、六。一、二、三、四、五、六。So if you can repeat after 一、二、三、四、五、六、七、八、九、十、七、八、九、十、七、八、九、十。So now, what happens if you want to say 11? Very easy. You say 10, 1. 十一 Se voi volete dire 11 in cinese è molto facile, dovete dire 10, 1. 十一 For example, if you want to say 15, it's very simple. Say 10, 5. 十五 okay. 十五 If you, se voi volete dire 15, 15 è molto facile, è 10, 5, 15. Now, what happens if you if you want to say 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100? 100 is special, I will teach you later. But if you want to say 10, you just say 十. You have, if you want to say 20, you say 210, 20, 20. If you want to say 30, you say 30. And it's the same. If you want to say 90, you just say 90. If you want to say 50, 50. Ok, adesso in italiano, se voi volete dire, non so, 50, voi dovete dire 5, 10, 5, 10, 50. Funziona della stessa maniera per gli altri. 30 è 3, 10, 30, 30 e 30. And what happens if you want to say 25? Very simple. Just say 210, 25. 210 is 25 in Chinese. 25. If you want to say 42, you will say, let a guess. Just have a guess. It will be, yeah, I'm sure you know it. It's 410 to say 42. 42. And it's the same. If you want to say, let's say 89, you will say 89. You say 8, 10, 9. Quindi in italiano, se voi volete dire 35, penso che si dica così, voi dovete dire 3, 10, 5, 35. È lo mismo, è lo stesso per tutto. Se voi volete dire 22, 2, 10, 2, 22. Molto facile. And now what happens if you want to say 100? It's special. You have to say, like in English, 1 and then 100. 1 is E. You know, here it's E, but when you will say 100, it will be very short, 100, and I'll try to teach you how to write it. So okay, let's see. Okay, 100 is like this. E is a stroke, like 1. Per scrivere 100 fate una striscia così, questo è 1, è come l'inglese 100. Dopo dovete scrivere pi, per dire 100, quindi scrivete una striscia così, dopo qualcosa così, dopo qui potete fare questo, ok, va bene, e dopo fare questo, una striscia orizzontale, e dopo chiudere tutto così. So you have to begin with this, then this one, this, and go down the middle line and close it up. Okay, this was from 1 to from 1 to 100. If you are learning Chinese, please make a video response where you write 72, 81, 25, and let's say 43, and tell me how do you say those numbers in Chinese, because it's very easy. So if you know this, voi potete fare un video risposta se voi avete il tempo e vi interessa molto imparare il cinese. Sarà molto bene, specialmente Maha, se potresti fare un video risposta dove scrivi il cinese, anche puoi dire, mi potresti dire come si dica, come si dice 72, 83, 42, e io ti dirò se è corretto o no. Okay, and Chinese numbers are very simple. If you want to say like 260, you say 20610. So it's an exception. 2 is an exception when you use it with 百, 100, 200. 200 is 200. I'll not teach you how to write it because it's a little bit complicated. If you just want to see how it looks like, I will just write it like here. Okay, this is 200. 200 is 200, and this is an exception because normally you say 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, and then comes 1000, 1000, 1000. Okay, I will teach you how to write 1000. Per dire 1000 dovete dire 1000, per dire 2000 2000, per dire 3000 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000, 7000, 8000, 9000, 1,000, but I'll not teach you that. Ok, how to write 1000 in Chinese. Come scrivere 1000 in cinese? Facilissimo. Questo 1000, I è così, e 100 è così, fare questo, dopo fare questo e questo. So 1000, 1000, 1000, 1000 è lo stesso che s, però voi avete aggiunto questa cosa qui. Prima di scrivere il 10, e questo è 1000. So this was my lesson of Chinese numbers, and I hope you will learn it and post a video response. And I hope you enjoyed it. It's my first lesson in Chinese, and I don't know how to teach people languages, because actually you don't teach people languages, they acquire languages. So this was a small introduction to Chinese language. And if you are motivated to learn exotical languages, please learn Chinese. And traditional Chinese and simplified Chinese, both are great. Okay, goodbye.